students, after the coal we have to discuss about the petroleum. Okay, petroleum is also considered as a fossil fuels, you know very well. So what is petroleum? Petroleum is a dark colored 3 crude oil found in deep below the ground in certain areas. Okay, it has an unpleasant odor. Odor means smell. Okay, the name petroleum means rock oil. Okay, petra and oleum. Petra means rock, oleum means oil. Now, how petroleum was formed? This is the important question, how petroleum was formed. So petroleum was formed by the decomposition of remains of teeny plants and animal buried under the sea millions of years ago. Okay, it is believed that millions of years ago the teeny plants and animal which lived in the sea died. Their dead bodies sank to the bottom of the sea and were soon covered with mud and sand. After applying high pressure, heat and action of bacteria and the absence of air, the dead remains of tiny plants and animals were slowly converted into the petroleum. Okay. Now the important line is the petroleum thus formed got trapped between two layers of impervious rock. You have to know about this. What is impervious rock? Impervious rock means the non-porous rocks. Okay. Now next topic is occurrence and extraction of petroleum. Okay, petroleum occurs deep under the surface of the earth between two layers of impervious rock. Okay, it is extracted by drilling holes in the earth's crust where the presence of oil has been predicted by survey. Okay students, early drilling of oil wells for getting petroleum was done only on land, but nowadays it is drilled under the sea for extraction of petroleum also. Now our next topic is refining of petroleum. The crude petroleum oil is a complex mixture of solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbon, you know very well. So refining is very necessary. So what is refining? The process of separating crude petroleum oil into more useful fractions is called refining. Okay, it is done by the process of fractional distillation. Okay, now you have to know about this. What is fractional distillation? The separation of petroleum into different fraction is done by the fractional distillation. Okay, now the various components of petroleum after refining are the petroleum gas, petrol, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax and bitumen. Now we will discuss about these products and what are the uses of this product. We have to I am going to describe in brief. Okay, now what is petroleum gas? Petroleum gas is used as a fuel in homes and industry. It is used as a fuel such or in the form of liquefied petroleum gas. Liquefied petroleum gas, you know very well, it is used in domestic purpose. We are using in these days liquefied petroleum gas for cooking the food. Okay, now I am going on petrol. What is petrol? So petrol is also a constituent of petroleum. It is formed after the fractional distillation of petroleum. Okay, and it is used in light motor vehicles such as motorcycle, scooters and cars. Now our next fraction is kerosene. What is kerosene? So kerosene is also a product of petroleum which is obtained by the process of refining or fractional distillation. Okay, it is used as a fuel, but nowadays kerosene is used as a aviation fuel in jet airplane. Our next product is diesel. Diesel is used as a fuel in heavy motor vehicle like trucks, tractors, trains, etc. Now I am going to discuss about the lubricating oil. Lubricating oil is used for lubrication in machine and engines. Okay. Our next fraction is paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is used for making candles, Vaseline, ointments, wax paper and gases. And the last product of fractional distillation is bitumen. Bitumen is used for road surfacing. It is also used for waterproofing the roof of buildings and making of black paints. So that's all for coal and petroleum. After that, we have to discuss about the natural gas and petrochemicals.